Have you been trying to figure out just how much in interest charges you'll have every month on your credit card based off your balance? Well, it's very simple. Let us first look at the APR the credit card company is charging. For example, let's just use 30%. APR is abbreviated for annual percentage rate, so that 30% gets multiplied on your total balance for the entire year. If let's say you owe $10,000 on your card with an APR of 30%, what that means is if you hold that $10,000 balance, you'll have $3,000 of interest charges, 30% of $10,000, throughout the entire year. So now, if you are curious to see how much you would be charged per month, well, divide $3,000 by 12 months and that leaves you with $250. What you can expect is on the $10,000 balance with a 30% interest rate, you can see $250 of interest charges every month on your account.